channel Glee Traveler.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
हमारा सर्विस में कमी पीछे हो गया तो
नहीं कुछ नहीं था, बहुत अच्छा।
सारा स्टाफ बहुत अच्छा है, आप सबको थैंक यू।
Ganpati Bappa. After having good sleep and lots of fun last night, we started our journey. So destination Diskit Monastery. और डिस्किट मोनेस्ट्री हमारे कैंप से 20 मिनट्स की ड्राइव पे ही है. And here we arrive. Also today we have with us our beautiful guide Serene. Today we are heading from Nubra Hundar to Pangong Lake, and on the way we are gonna see few things and I'll take you around today. Right now we are already at Diskit Monastery, so please stay connected and enjoy the views.
18 meters and 17 feet height. This is future Buddha statue, and here you can see all round of Nubra Valley. The red one is monastery. So the downside floor are all monks' quarter, and the white one is museum there. Okay? On the top, that one is castle. All castle. These monasteries belong to Gelugpa sect. In Ladakh, we have 4 sects: Gelugpa, Drukpa, Nyingma, and Saskia. We have 4 sects, different school. This is belong to His Holiness Dalai Lama. Might be you all know.
Yeah.
14 Dalai Lama. 15 minutes I will give. Yeah. Otherwise we will reach Pangong very late. Okay, we are getting started.
That was our guide Serene. She also told us that Diskit Monastery is the largest and the oldest Gompa in the Nubra Valley of Ladakh. Built in the 14th century, the monastery is mostly known for its beautiful architect and its amazing placement atop hill, overlooking the town of Diskit and the entire Nubra Valley. The statue was made with 3 thoughts in mind: protection of Diskit, avoid further wars with Pakistan, and to promote peace in the world. गाइज, अगर आपको हिस्ट्री में इंटरेस्ट है तो जब भी आप ये मोनेस्ट्री देखने जाते हैं आप लोकल गाइड हायर कर सकते हैं. एंड सीरीन इज़ द लोकल गाइड फ्रॉम लद्दाख. आई विल शेयर हर नंबर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो. मीनवाइल यू कैन एंजॉय द व्यूज़. This is definitely one of the most beautiful things I have seen. This is the meditation center which is located near the statue. And this was time to say goodbye to this beautiful Diskit Monastery. Bikes! That's what I missed in this trip. And we couldn't resist. At least हमने सोचा पोस्ट तो कर ही लेंगे, और अगर आज पोस्ट किया है तो कल चला भी लेंगे. और फिलहाल हमारा कारवां निकल चुका है पैंगोंग लेक के लिए, जो कि यहाँ से 230 किलोमीटर्स अवे है. ऑलमोस्ट 6 to 7 hours drive. I'm just soaking in, guys. I'm sure I'm gonna do Leh again. For so many beautiful things I missed. This road has many memories. Let me tell you a fun fact. शायद आपने भी नोट किया होगा. हर एक किलोमीटर पे यू विल सी अ रोड साइन, अ हिलेरियस रोड साइन, ताकि आप अपनी स्पीड लिमिट में रखें और एक्सीडेंट से बच सकें. एंड माई फेवरेट कोट वॉज बी जेंटल ऑन माई कर्व्स. So guys, for traveling in Leh, let it be Nubra or Pangong or Turtuk, आपको ILP लगेगा, that is inner line permit. This is an official travel document issued by the concerned state government, and this is to allow inward travel to an Indian citizens into a protected area for a limited period. और आपको ये ILP, जिसको परमिट भी कहते हैं, ले से ही मिल जाएगा. आप जब पहले दिन ले पहुँचेंगे आप उसी दिन ये ले सकते हैं. बट फॉर अस, हमारे लिए सारे परमिट हमारे ट्रैवल एजेंट ने ही अरेंज किए थे, सो वी नीड नॉट वरी अबाउट इट. एंड लुक एट माई गैंग, ऑलमोस्ट एवरीबडी इज स्लीपिंग. पर मेरे लिए टाइम है कुछ तूफानी करने का. एंड हियर आई गो.
I am Tanisha, Jyoti, Saili, and Kansan with me, and myself Varsha.
Yes, this is my time to take the ride on top of the van. Guys, don't try this because this was a hell of a bumpy ride.
You're super daredevil, then only do this. Yes, otherwise don't wait. And get some cushions for your bum.
and thanks to this traffic jam we could get down. इस स्टॉप के अलावा हमने सिर्फ एक और स्टॉप लिया जो कि लंच के लिए था एंड नथिंग एल्स. एंड जस्ट few kilometers before Pangong we got this clinic where we took Kanta. We got her medicine and an injection over here. Just few more kilometers before we see the Pangong Lake. And that's the first sight of it. Enjoy the view guys until you visit yourself the Pangong Lake. Because our camps were very near to the lake, so we kept our luggage, got freshened up, and then we directly headed to the lake. Jyoti spotted this yak.
Bye!
It's freaking cold and I'm having goosebumps. मतलब मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा है मैं यहाँ पे पहुँच गई हूँ. Pangong Lake is gem of Ladakh region. This 140-kilometer long salt lake is located at an altitude of 4,250 meters, and 30% of the lake is in India, whereas the other part is in China and Tibet. The best time to come here is June, July, August only. Rest of the time the lake is frozen. Fun fact, there is no fish or any aquatic life in the lake. Guys, be well aware of the fact that Leh Ladakh is an ecological place, and hence be responsible traveler and do your best to keep it safe and clean. Avoid using plastic bags here. Of course, we should do this for ourselves so that we can keep getting more reasons to travel to this place. And I am in love with this place. This is among the most beautiful places I have ever seen. Guys, यहाँ पे बहुत ठंडी है as compared to Nubra. Please carry your woolen even in the month of June, July, August. Don't take this lightly. I am telling you, you may fall sick if you do not take care.
कुल्फी जम गई है ऑलमोस्ट. मेरी तो वाइट कुल्फी जम गई है.
और हम लोग चाहकर भी यहाँ ज़्यादा देर नहीं रुक सके क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत ठंडी हवाएं चल रही थी.
Super good! Too chill? No, not the birds. I'm being stressed. So, I have never ever seen 360 degrees, exactly 360 degrees so beautiful in my life ever. Believe me guys, this is just amazing.
Such a beautiful morning to welcome me.
Hey guys, morning. This is end of our day 3 in Leh. That's the morning view I have. Oh, this place is super beautiful, but the life is really tough here. It's really difficult to stay here because of the weather. But one day is okay, I guess. End of our third day in Leh, and we are in Pangong. Behind me is Pangong Lake, and this is time for me to say goodbye for now and start getting ready for our next adventure. We are heading to Leh today, but on our way to Leh, we are gonna take a stop at Pangong Lake again. We're gonna go to Rancho School and few monasteries as well. In the video till here, you have liked the video, so please go and subscribe to me. It is totally free, and you will just come to know whenever I post a video. So please go and show some love. Whatever makes your soul happy, do that.